My name is Jhaveri, and I did my master's and graduations in computer applications and information technology from Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Those were the days when we learned programming languages like C, C++, COBOL, Java, web technologies like ASP, XML, database concepts like relational databases, query languages, data dictionaries. I know this sounds a bit old, but those were fun stuff to learn back then. As part of our course, we did an internship which was about developing a mobile application on J2ME platform. Yes, a mobile application 10 years back when there were no touchscreen phones. The screen size was too small and there were least graphical features. My dad runs his own tax consultation firm. Honesty, integrity, and dedication are the three main qualities I inherited from him. He always says that dedication is all about when you start something, complete it with harmony. Stick to your commitments. Honesty is about building trust in your relations, whether it's team at work or people at home. Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one's watching. My mom is a homemaker and a great cook. My favorite dish that she prepares is pakri, which is an Indian flatbread. Usually people have it in breakfast or lunch along with vegetables or just tea or coffee. I just love it. It's so tempting when it smells great, when it's roasted on a clay skillet, and I can't just wait to have it. So I think I inherited my creative side from my mom. I also learned value of patience from her. As any great cook will tell you, the key ingredient to preparing good food is patience. And even patience is required when you are working with your customers. I remember the days when we used to learn DOS in primary school, but that wasn't much of interest because it had no graphical user interface. But when my brother was studying computer science and I used his Celeron Windows XP computer to play games like Free Cell, Solitaire, Pinball, I always was curious to know how these programs are developed. I opted for commerce in high school, but due to the growing interest in computers, I chose computer applications and information technology for specialization of my graduation. My role in the company is tech lead for Global Deliveries Centre. My job is to keep the project deliveries continuous for our clients in New York, London, Hong Kong, or just around the corner in Ahmedabad. The key qualities that I would look for in team members are passion, dedication, teamwork, and end-user focus. Let's talk about passion. Passionate people are the ones who take that extra step, who can go beyond expectations. For example, you are working on forms in applications, representing the digital client brand, taking care of little validations, taking care of user perspective is all a person need to take care of while developing forms. Let's talk about teamwork. You must have watched cricket. Cricket has batsmen, bowlers, and fielders. For example, batsmen scored a great runs, but fielders and bowlers did not do their job well. In that case, opponent team can beat your high score. So, what we learn from here? It's teamwork. Batsmen, bowlers, and fielders. They all work as a team to win the match. The same applies to software development. There are different teams like developers, testers, system engineers who work together in order to make projects successful. Passion is taking that extra step. Dedication is making the things happen, overcoming all obstacles. Let's talk about end-user focus. Developers tend to concentrate more on technology while developing software applications. As we say, most technical problems aren't technical. So developers have to think about the user perspective when you're developing software applications. As a tech company, we encourage people to take certifications and qualifications. We help people take trainings, mentor people, provide a career development path. Working as a part of a global team, a team member becomes well-versed with clear communication and detailing. As a tech lead, I understand for developers, it's always a learning curve to learn new technologies. We don't throw people on projects and expect them to Google their way through it. Working as a developer in small software development company, you'll wear different hats. You'll get a whole picture of the projects. You'll not just be a developer on a project, but go through other areas of software application development lifecycle. So, you'll enhance your hard and soft skills. We don't micromanage people. We empower people to take ownership of their work. We give them opportunity to make a difference. Your thoughts, opinions, and insights are always welcome. Working as a part of a global team, we work in collaboration, in sync. You will see some of the greatest cities of the world. I hope you have a passport. What's next for Soho? Getting people on cloud. Getting people use mobile and tablets to do their work. Azure is now battle-hardened. Clients are in planning stage rather than discovery stage to move from on-prem to cloud. Digital Workspace is a talk of town. We help organizations build their digital workspace that works across all departments. Big data, Power BI, data visualizations, making sense of data in enterprise applications. We don't impose timelines on you. You work at your convenience. It's just that you need to get things done and work as part of growing team, learn new technologies, and enjoy your work.